Hello and welcome back to Fintellect. Today is day 9 of our series Understanding Money in 21 Days. And today's episode is about how planning or smart planning our money is going to help us reduce stress. So let's get into the video. So if we try to understand about this topic, uh, our recent LinkedIn posts also have been emphasizing on a particular point that study shows that uncertainty or less planning of the finances people have is the major reason of increase in stress of people around us. So what happens is that you have enough money, like whatever number of salary you are earning or whatever total income you have every month, that is enough, but only enough when you have planned it very well, or else you earn no amount of money, then also you won't get that level of satisfaction which you would get by managing less amount of money. So management of money is the most important factor here. So how do we remove the uncertainty? So the major way of doing this is understanding our finances, and this is what we have been doing in week one. I've told you that how do you understand your finances, but now we are moving towards how we actually implement these processes. So let's get and understand that how this will help you to manage your life. So we understand the importance first, and then we'll understand the process later. So what happens is in life, it's not about just finance. When there are certain gaps in different kind of circumstances we come through, the human tendencies, they generally fill it with stress or anxiety. And what happens is that not managing money creates a financial gap, and that gap is filled up by stress. So this gap creates a very huge problem for your mental peace. So how do we solve it? So smart planning is not at all complicated. What we need to understand is always these things what I tell you, they go back to net worth. But if we try to understand it in even simpler terms, so you have to understand three important things. So know where your money is coming from, know where your money must go, and then you have to decide the rest of the money where it goes. So these are the three things that we need to definitely plan. So know what's coming. That means salary, a flat that you have given on rent, how much rent you're earning, a shop that you might have bought and that's on rent, or any kind of rent or overall income that you're earning every month is what's coming in. What's going out definitely is your rent if you're staying in a rented house, your EMI, your utilities, your insurances, these things are the must go. So these are going to definitely get reduced from your salary. And before you decide where the rest money goes, you have to put up a sum of money aside, which is your savings first. Like we understood in last episode, what we need to do is we create a protection for ourselves, and that's the most important factor in saving money. So we save money first and then we invest. We don't invest and spend all the money and jo end mein bacha, that is not your investment. What's important is that you save your money first. So that is the only way you're going to land up in a good place. So this formula is generated, which comes through a simple point that uncertainty is feeling stressed about money and clarity is feeling the control about money. So next time, I hope when your bill comes up or there's a movie you are planning or there's a trip you're planning, there's no decision making process involved. You already know that these are my finances and this is what I can do and this is what I can't do. So you need to plan your finances in such a way that you know your peace of mind is always kept intact. So the major work you have to do today is that you have to sit down, you have to stop guessing your numbers that this is my salary, this is what I'm spending, this is what I can save, this is what I'm investing. No, this won't bring you the actual peace of mind. Your task for the day is very simple. You have to sit down for only 30 minutes. You have to understand every penny that is coming in. You have to understand every number that must go out. And you have to understand where you're going to put the rest of the money. So what comes in, what must go out, what's left, and save first. These four things, like I mentioned in the previous slide, when you plan this won't take a lot of time. When you plan this, you are actually ready to have a peaceful month ahead. And while you're planning this, if you want to take help of Fintellect, this that would be a very great tool to have. You can understand your bank statements, your net worth, everything just by putting up your incomes, expenses, investments, assets, bank statements, all these things at a particular platform. And after putting it, you can easily understand how your net worth is performing now, what your income is, what your expenses are in a very arranged manner. So I think you can definitely check out the description box where you, if you want to learn how to use Fintellect, we have demo sessions going on. You can join those. And this is it for the day 9 of the series Understanding Money in 21 Days. This is Vedant signing off for the day.